Welcome to MFAA On Air.
To help give brokers a better understanding of what customers think of their services and how they can better work with lenders to deliver the best products available, the MFAA commissioned leading consulting group Ernst Young to research consumer views of the finance broker experience. Today on MFAA On Air, MFAA CEO Siobhan Hayden explains the findings of the report and how the MFAA plans to work with brokers to achieve this future.
I really wanted to get a better understanding about the value of the broker channel. So we've got data from Comparator around the percentage of customers using brokers, which is fantastic, but just more qualitative and quantitative data about, why are consumers choosing the broker channel. So they spoke to 700 customers split across those that had used a broker, most recently to buy a home or source a mortgage, and a retail channel, consumers that had used the retail channel. In addition to that, they spoke to lenders that nationally are responsible for 88% of all mortgage flows. The report found a number of really good outcomes for our channel. Particularly to mention is that lenders are now accepting that brokers are a critical part of their business model, and in part they're working in a partnership model with brokers, and particularly around the retention of that customer, so cross-selling insurances, etc., and liaising back with the broker if that customer contacts the lender. Lenders that were interviewed universally supported the idea that the industry would grow to 60% through our channel, which was really encouraging as well. So that was really great. So some of the concerns, or one of the key concerns that consumers raised, was a concern around where a broker is owned by a lender and therefore promoting that product or that white label product. Two key things for me was the finding from customers that said when they deal with a broker they're expecting a bundled discussion, and that means including credit cards and insurances. Lenders, aggregators, we as an industry body are also supportive of diversification, and now consumers are saying the same thing. So it's a really great heads up in relation to what customers are expecting. Secondly, the digital piece. I do think that brokers need to be abreast of the changes that are taking place. The report significantly highlights that brokers were the biggest disruptor to the mortgage industry in 2003, and now the next wave is the digital piece. So not thinking it won't have an impact, we just need to keep abreast of what those learnings are. To that end, the MFAA is in the final discussions with Ernst Young around a broker for 2020, specifically focused around the digital piece. I think we do need to take a leadership position and find out what that may look and feel like and help our customers transition to that space. Secondly, I think the piece around the relationship that brokers have with their customers, that's a constantly evolving piece. And I've mentioned a few times with brokers, if your customer settles and you do, say, 12 touch points with newsletters in a year and nothing more, that's probably not a deepened relationship. So we need to continually enhance the touch points we provide to our customers post-settlement to ensure that the brand and the broker becomes foremost in that customer's mind. We need to be seen as an educator, and that also falls into that diversification piece.
You've been watching MFAA On Air.